The most cost-effective way to have locks changed is to reuse the existing door locks. Rekeying locks is also the process used to key alike locks. This is beneficial as you can have one key to open all the locks in a home or business. To change or rekey a lock, the lock cylinder must be removed from the door. Often, the entire lock must be removed. With the cylinder removed, the lock is ready for disassembly. The dead latch shown in this simulation requires the cylinder escutcheon, circlip, and the locktail piece to be removed. To remove the lock barrel from the cylinder, a tool called a follower is used. The follower, as the name suggests, follows the lock barrel as it is pushed out of the lock cylinder. The follower stops the top pins and lock springs from falling out. The lock bottom pins form the combination of the lock. The pins are matched to the same combination as the key. A lock pinning kit contains all the different sizes of bottom pins. The correct bottom pin is matched to suit the key. The lock barrel is pushed back into the lock cylinder. The lock is reassembled and put back on the door, ready for use. If you need your locks changed in Brisbane, you can call us, the Lock Mob, any time of the day or night.